So morning, my honey bunches. So how you people are doing at home? I hope you all are good, right? Ma'am has come with the second chapter, okay, and you are well aware with the name of the chapter, that is uses of computer. What ma'am is going to do over here is ma'am will first revise the previous lesson of this chapter, the second chapter, and then I will tell you about new what I have added to it this chapter. Okay, so let me revise the chapter first. So in this chapter, what we are going to do is what we are going to learn is the first thing that we are going to learn is the importance of computer. Okay, what are the importance of computer? We have why the computer is important, right? Then we will learn about the uses of computer at your home, in your school, offices, and at airports. Okay, so let's see why the computer is important. The first of all, the computer, why the computer is important? If I tell you what is the use of computer you have, first of all, it can be used as calculator, right? It can be used as calculator. If you want to do some addition, subtraction, you can use the computer as a calculator. Okay, suppose you want to watch some movies, in that case also you can use your computer as a television. Okay, so suppose you want to do some painting work, in that case also the computer will act as a canvas and color pencils for you, right? Suppose you want to play games, so computer will become friend of yours and you can play games on the computer. So you can see the how computer is a part of our life, right? डे टू डेज लाइफ है ना, कंप्यूटर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हो गया है हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ का। क्यों? क्योंकि ये हमारे टाइम को सेव करता है, ये हमारे काम को इजी बनाता है और एक टाइम में ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टास्क क्या कर सकता है, ये काम कर सकता है, परफॉर्म कर सकता है, राइट? सो नाउ कमिंग टू द यूजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर, लेट्स सी कि कहाँ कहाँ कंप्यूटर यूज होता है और कैसे कैसे यूज होता है। ओके, नाउ कमिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज एट स्कूल। हम स्कूल में भी कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हैं, राइट? वेयर वी आर यूजिंग कंप्यूटर, मैम इज यूजिंग कंप्यूटर टू टीच यू द लेसन, है ना, in the computer lab. Okay, to find extra information about different topics, अगर हमें कुछ और भी जानना होता है किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर, what we are going to do is we can find out the information on the computer, है ना, with the help of internet. ओके, मैम आपको कुछ असाइनमेंट देती है, आपको हॉलीडे होमवर्क्स देती है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, आप फाइंड आउट करते हो ना, मम्मा पापा के साथ बैठ के कंप्यूटर पे यू फाइंड आउट द वर्क होमवर्क एंड देन यू डू दैट। ओके, now the next is store information about the students. At school, what happens when your mama papa goes to submit the fees? What happens? All of the students are being saved in the computer in the office, right? So वहाँ पे आपकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वहाँ पे मेंशन होती है। आपके जब पेरेंट्स जाते हैं फीस पे करने के लिए, वो आपके 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 नेम को वो मेंशन करते हैं एंड सारा रिकॉर्ड आपका जितना भी रिकॉर्ड होता है दैट कम्स ऑन द computer, right? So suppose ma'am has to prepare the test papers or result sheets for you people, ma'am will also use the computer at school, है ना? Ma'am will also use computer to prepare your timetable. And also in library, the library ma'am is using the computer to keep the records of the book, है ना? You will, once you will start going to school, you will find one computer in your library that is kept, and all the records of the book that is there in your library is being taken care by the ma'am, the library teacher, and she keeps all the record in, and she feeds all the record in the computer. Okay. Now, if I talk about the use of computer at home, the first thing that comes in our mind is to for it is used for the chatting, है ना? It is used for the chatting purpose. You chat with your friends, with your family members like baba, dadi, nanu, nani, as I told you in the last session also, है ना? To play games, हम games खेलने के लिए भी we use computer. हम जो गेम मज़ा आता है खेलने में हम उसको फटाफट इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं. अगर सपोज यू आर नाउ दैट गेम इज एनफ, आप अनइंस्टॉल कर देते हो. तो वी आर प्लेइंग गेम्स ऑल्सो इन द कंप्यूटर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज प्रिपेयरिंग स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट. अभी मैम आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में जब होमवर्क देंगी, यू विल डू द योर होमवर्क इन योर computer, है ना? And then you will send it to me on my email ID. Okay, all these things are being done with the help of computer. Now in offices also what happens, all the work is being, mostly the work is being done in the computer. किसी को mail send करना हो, किस तरह की documentation का काम होता है ना? All those works are taken care by are being done with the help of computer. Okay, printing निकालना, large amount of data को store करना, information को store करना, all these being done with the help of computer. You can ask to your papa or mama what type of work are being done with the help of computer in offices. She will let you know. Okay. Now coming to the airport. Now at airport also you must have seen, for booking the tickets or for the cancellation of the tickets, we go to the counter, right? And there also the people sitting at the counter, they are also having a computer. उस computer में वो they are booking the tickets, and there the cancellation of the ticket is also being done in that and the in the कंप्यूटर, इन दैट कंप्यूटर. ओके, सारे रिकॉर्ड के जो सारे जो पैसेंजर्स होते हैं उनकी भी रिकॉर्ड किस में होती है? कंप्यूटर में फीड की जाती है. देन कमिंग टू द नाउ अराइवल एंड डिपार्चर ऑफ टाइमिंग्स ऑफ द प्लेन्स, वो सब सारा भी रिकॉर्ड कहाँ होता है? कंप्यूटर में होता है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन द इन द डिस्प्ले इट इज बीइंग शोइंग ऑल द टाइम कि कौन सी प्लेन अराइव हो रही है, कौन किसका डिपार्चर का टाइम हो रहा है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट, always it is updating, है ना? At the luggage counter also you must have seen the security check is there na, all at the luggage counter you must have seen. Okay, so that is also being done with the help of computer. So students, we have done the new part at airport, how the computer, where the computer is being used, right? And in case you have any issue or any query related to the session, please let me know through my email ID, that is soumyajha@gmail.com. And one more thing, in the upcoming session, I will give you the difficult words. जो आपको क्या करना है, you just have to mug up and then you have to write it down in the notepad or in the word, and then you have to send it to me on my email ID, that is soumyajha@gmail.com. So till that time, take care, stay at home, stay healthy, and keep smiling.